So you're here because you want to learn how to grow a YouTube channel, right? Stay tuned, what's coming up next. Hey, it's Zaytona, Z-A-T-O-N-A, and I'm starting off my first 6 best YouTube creators is Think Media,
Hey, what's up? Sean here with Think Media.
Nick Nimmin,
What is going on? My name is Nick.
Daryl Eves,
DarylEves.com. Hello, people of the internet. Daryl Eves here.
video creators,
Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer and welcome to Video Creators.
David Wash Online,
Hi there, David Walsh here once again from David Walsh Online.
and last but not least, Sunny Looney Doozy.
Welcome to The Sunny Show, for the bright side of being your own boss and building your own life.
Hey boss, I'm Sunny
Basically,
Looney.
I'm basically gonna show you guys footages of the people that I said, some tips that can help you. But my opinion, say if you doing just vlogs on your YouTube channel and it's really not going nowhere, try a Q&A. Maybe somebody might draw into that Q&A and start doing your Q&A. You have to draw attention. In every video, say if your video's going ranked up to like 7, about 7. Between 1 and 10, it's ranking up by 7. You making YouTube videos, you can't go down to 6 or 5. You have to keep building up to 8, 9, 10. You have to just keep building up. Me, I started doing dancing videos. Mine wasn't getting too far. I was stuck at 200 subscribers, 200 some subscribers for a minute. And now I'm at like 1,000 something, like 1,100 and something. I started doing different things, started looking up YouTube stuff, started seeing, hey, what can I do? So I made my YouTube channel about challenges, Q&As, starting off doing little pranks, and of course my dancing. I did vlogs too. So different things will draw people attention, and be excited when you make a YouTube channel, be engaged, but these people know way more than me about it, and we'll get to some of them right now. Let's go.
Subscribing. Mark asks, Sean, as a full-time TV film editor, what is it about YouTube that makes me want to devote my time to it? There's no way I'll even make remotely the kind of coin or money that I would make as an editor on a network series that I could actually make on YouTube. In your opinion, what about YouTube is so enticing? Thanks so much for the question, Mark. So I want to answer this question for Mark, but also just for the Think Media community in general, as far as what are really the pros and the cons of not just starting a YouTube channel, but actually taking YouTube seriously, even as kind of a career choice or as something that you want to build side part-time or even full-time income from. But let's actually start with the negatives. Let's start with the downside. And number one is that YouTube is ultimately a long game. That's right. YouTube is not a quick place to make some cash. It really is a marathon, not a sprint. So yeah, I would agree that in the short term for Mark and just for everybody, that you're gonna make a lot more money from doing other jobs, another career, or other work. However, YouTube is a long game. And if you have patience and persistence, you can find that not only your income can grow, but the other benefits of YouTube can really outweigh the upfront work that you have to put in.
But with Gord, he basically found out the news about what was happening with YouTube and he took action. What he did is he said, hey, I'm gonna figure out how to get watch time. I'm gonna figure out how to get more views. I'm gonna figure out what I have to do in order to meet the requirements before the deadline. And he did it, and he still has days to spare. So let that be an inspiration to you as well, that you can also overcome this stuff. You just have to put in the time and the effort in order to make it happen. Okay, so let's start this whole thing off with monetizing your channel. How can you monetize your channel as a small YouTuber? If you've never done any type of affiliate marketing before, it might be something to where you're like, hey, I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what affiliate marketing is. How am I supposed to do affiliate marketing if I don't know what affiliate marketing is? In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is basically to where you put links somewhere, and anytime somebody clicks on those links and then they go and purchase something, you actually get a commission, and commission means money, for sending that person to that website in order for them to be able to make that purchase. As an example, if you look in my video description, you're going to see links going out to Amazon. And the cool thing about Amazon is when somebody clicks on an Amazon link and they go to Amazon, if they buy the specific thing that you're talking about or not, they end up buying something, you still get a commission if it happens within the first 24 hours of them clicking on your link. Now, where this gets really cool as a small channel is you can actually put links in your description, letting people know at the very least what equipment it is that you use. To be honest, most likely it's not going to bring you a ton of money at first, but what it is going to do is it's going to help supplement the income that you may have made from YouTube ads as a small channel. 2, focus on generating more watch time by using playlists, specifically series playlists, because what happens
Analytics has literally been a game changer for me, and thank you, YouTube. If you're watching this, which I know you are, thank you for being subscribers. But thank you for this feature, because ultimately I was able to dispel a lot of information about the data I was collecting based off of real-time results. And so this wouldn't be possible without YouTube providing this tool for us. And I haven't seen a tool like it out there. So if you go into Creator Studio and then click on Analytics, under Analytics, you're able to see real-time analytics. I really like to look at a couple key factors. Now, number one is I like to look at momentum on the channel. Where is the momentum now, and where is the momentum going to be? That's what we're actually talking about here. So the first thing I do is I see, okay, what's our top performing videos in the last 60 minutes? I go ahead and click on that, and I'm able to see all the videos, where they're actually coming, how many views are being accrued in a given 60 minutes, and I can see the traction. Now, what's interesting from this is we need to see how old these videos are. Maybe there's a video that's 6 months, 8 months, 10 months old that's actually performing now, which didn't perform 10 months ago. And so by just sorting it, by clicking that and sorting,
few other things from my perspective for the rest of you guys. That header image really needs to communicate to your target audience really quickly. It needs to make that person feel like, oh, like I feel like this channel could be for me. Like it has to hook them and draw them in. And then 2, it also needs to make them feel like, okay, yes, this is for me, but there's a value here that I want to consume. Like, what is the value proposition of your channel to your target audience, and how do you visually communicate that? Now, if you really want to dig into this and take this topic seriously, Karen has a full 20-minute video.
It is here in more tools and extensions, and then you open up here and then you type in VidIQ. So the one we're using here is VidIQ Vision. They also have an app, but we're just going to go through the VidIQ Vision extension. And when you've got it installed, this is what it looks like, and then you'll have it enabled there. So I do my keyword research in incognito mode because I don't want to.
We'll link to below on exactly how to do this and go a little more in depth into it. But first, I wanted to go through these steps. So first and foremost, metadata is probably a word that you've heard. It's pretty simple to explain. All you need to do in this case is just put the keyword that is in the title of your video or that you want to be ranking for. Put that keyword in the actual raw file name of your file you're uploading to YouTube. So in this case, this video is about how to get more views on YouTube. So the file name is more views on YouTube.mp4. Pretty simple. Second, this is the most important thing. If you don't do this, you will not get found. You have to have your keyword in the title of your video. Period. End of story. Next, you want to add your keyword also into the description of your video, which should be between 200 to 400 words. And you'll see that the very first line of my description reiterates the keyword in the title of my video, just to really make it clear to Google and YouTube that's what this video is about. Then I mentioned secondary keywords. Secondary keywords are keywords that have a high amount of search volume, not as high as your main keyword in your title, but still a decent amount of search volume.
And I'm definitely going to give credit to them. Their YouTube link will be in the description below. So please check that YouTube channel out, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.